Charity Australia International in partnership with Al Khidmat Foundation Pakistan. Now we have made it to Al Ahliya shelter in the central Gaza Strip to continue our journey of relief and to distribute the hot meals for the families in need in order to alleviate their daily suffering. Stay with us.
شكرا لخدمة باكستان على هذه الوجبات الساخنة، ونتمنى المزيد من الدعم وتقديم الخدمات لنا في ظل هذه الظروف الصعبة.